An association may restrict the type of landscaping that you put on your property. Specifically, under the declaration, there will be a provision that describes what are considered common elements, what are considered limited common elements or common areas, and what is considered homeowner property. Oftentimes, landscaping in a homeowner's front or backyard is considered limited common areas. You'd have to look to the declaration and the governing documents to identify what parcel of land falls under what type of classification. If the classification for the landscaping is a limited common element, you'd have to review the governing documents to identify how those parcels of land are governed. As a result, the association may be able to govern whether you can or cannot alter the landscaping on your front or backyard.